And now for the news in detail. President Droupadi Murmu inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for various projects worth 1,330 crore rupees at the Gujarat Medical and Education Research Society campus in Gandhinagar, Gujarat today. President is on a two-day visit to Gujarat, and this is her maiden visit to Gujarat as a president. Early in the morning, she offered prayers and floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at Sabarmati Ashram. Governor A. Devrat and Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel were also present on the occasion. In the visitor's diary, she wrote that the visit to the Holy Land of Mahatma Gandhi gave her indefinable faith and inspiration. The president also tried her hand at charkha at the Gandhi Ashram.
आज मैंने 2 लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स का उद्घाटन किया है। ऐसी परियोजनाओं के कार्यान्वयन होने से गुजरात के किसान भाई बहन और भी अधिक लाभान्वित होंगे। देशवासियों के सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास के लिए जल सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करना बेहद जरूरी है।